Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So, monsoon is right around the corner, and you know what that means, mosquitoes. The tiny menaces are gearing up for their grand entrance, and this time, I'm not playing around. I just picked up this mosquito bat from a brand called Weird Wolf. Yeah, the name is kind of weird, right? It came in this massive box from Amazon, which got me thinking, why so big for just a bat? But I guess we're about to find out. Let's crack this open. Now, I've got to say, this is actually my third mosquito bat. My track record with these things, not great. They're super sensitive to falls, one little drop and it's done for. So I'm really hoping this one's got some backbone because I'm tired of buying a new one every season. Alright, let's see what's inside. And wow, all that packaging for just a tiny zip pouch. I mean, I guess it's safe, but seriously, I get the whole extra protection thing now. But I do like the fact that the pouch is reusable, unlike the usual cheap plastic you just throw away. Inside, we've got the bat itself, some label instructions, and leaflets. Here's the first thing I noticed. The price tag says 1499 rupees, but I snagged it for around 600 rupees on Amazon. Classic, right? Amazon prices never really match the label, but hey, not complaining. Okay, the first thing I pulled out is this hook holder. I actually love this idea. If you want to store it for a while, you can just place it back in the cover and hang it up. Smart, right? Keeps it out of the kids' hands too, which for me is basically life-saving. Trust me, I've lost 2 bats to their curiosity. Now, let's talk about the build. The plastic casing is solid. At first glance, it looks kind of soft, but no, it's definitely sturdy. And look at this, USB Type-C charging. Finally, no more digging around for some weird cable. I can just use my phone charger. There's also a 6-month warranty card, which I'm definitely keeping safe. Oh, and they've got the features listed right here. Instant kill, USB charging, lithium-ion battery, and best of all, it's made in India. I honestly thought it was a Chinese brand, so this was a pleasant surprise. Now, I've got to say, I love the design. The olive green color is actually kind of nice, easy on the eyes. And it's got a nice grip too. Love the huge catchment area, it's almost the size of my palm. There's a little hook provision right here, which means I can just hang it up instead of leaving it lying around. It's those little things that make a difference, right? Okay, now for the main part. The switches are on the right side. There's a button for instant kill and a slider for different modes, off, on, and auto. Auto mode basically means the mesh is charged constantly, but heads up, it drains the battery faster. You've got to keep it plugged in if you are using that mode. On the side, there's the Type-C port. Thank God, because I am done with micro USB. There are even LED indicators, one for charging and another that lights up when the grid is active. It even has this fake leather embossing. Not gonna lie, it looks kind of cheap, but for this price range, I'm not mad at it. Alright, now here's something cool. It comes with a stand. So the idea is to place the racket on the stand, turn on auto mode, and basically, it's like a mosquito trap at night. The blue light attracts them, and zap, they're done for. But I'm a bit skeptical about the base, it seems kind of wobbly. Like, even a slight nudge could tip it over. Let me show you. Yeah, not super convincing, right? But hey, we'll give it a shot. Okay, time to see if this thing actually works. I'm going to remove the protective cover, slide the switch on, and press the zapper. Oh wow, I can hear it, and look at that blue light glow when the auto mode is on. It's actually kind of cool, almost like a night lamp with a purpose. You can clearly see when it's live and ready to zap. Now for the charging part. When you plug it in, another LED lights up to indicate it's charging. And here's a tip, if you are using it in auto mode overnight, just keep it on the stand, plug it in, and let it do its thing. The blue light stays on, acts like a bed lamp. And the charging indicator switches to green when it's fully juiced up. Super convenient. And here's the grand moment, my first kill. Zaps a mosquito. Wow, it just vanished. Let's try auto mode now so I don't have to press the zapper. Waits a moment. Got another one. And another. I'm actually struggling to find mosquitoes right now because it's not peak monsoon, but I'm catching the tiny ones here and there. Honestly, this is super lightweight, easy to maneuver, and I feel like I'm finally winning the battle this season. My only hope is that it actually lasts a year, and that my kids don't get to it first. Oh, and before I forget, let's try it on some fruit flies. Zaps 1. Isn't that just satisfying? Alright, that's it for today. If you are gearing up for monsoon and want to check this out, I've left the link down below. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing and mini test. Hit that like button if you did, and I'll catch you in the next one.